Here's a video for blade on 7 cents. Here's my soldering for my RGH here. Let me get my other lens out so I can focus. Stuff. Here's the RGH chip. Cool runner. Trying to get a better view. Here's the ground. It's on the back of the video card point right there. Here's the Nandex point. Here, let me try to tilt this up. It's kind of hard to get a focus. My power goes out, then that's just the storm. I can't really get a good view of this one, but to me they look pretty good. Over here they're pretty good. Here's the power and the, forget what that's called, right here. Now let me flip it to the back. Let me take the, alright. Here's the blue. That one's pretty much good. Here's the yellow. It's good, but only one I'm really worried about is this one. I couldn't really get to it. I don't think you can see it that well, but I'm pretty sure I did connect it to the point. It's a pretty hard point. I wish there was an alternative for it, but I don't think there is. But other than that, it's just you know, all the other soldering is good. Yeah, it's just like a block in the, at the last 2 seconds, the last block or something, that it gives an error. But yeah.